Good morning, team. We are back on trail. It is wet. It is soggy. It is raining. It is, I said soggy and foggy. But we're here. Did not want to get back on trail this morning. I mean, like, I want to be on trail, but it was like, just hiking in the rain. Not my favorite things. Like, I like it when I can use my umbrella and stuff, but there's not enough rain to use an umbrella. It's just like this little drizzle and stuff. But today we're heading to McAfee Knob, so that's exciting. Oh, this sucks after a zero. Your body just gets used to resting, and then it takes a minute to get going. But the important part is that we're hiking and we're back. So views are very limited right now because of the rain and all the trees. But as soon as I get some beautiful lookouts, I'll show you what I can show you. But let's get to work here. We got this. Steve and Nancy left us some Trail Magic, soda, Gatorade.
I don't think I've ever seen it in there. So.
This is pretty awesome. And then we run into some section hikers here. Do you mind being on video? No. Yeah?
I'm fine with it.
Yeah.
Do you guys have like a...
So I'm having lunch and I had a fruit snack, and within that fruit snack I got a little collectible card. Isn't this cute? I feel like I'm in like elementary school again. It's neato. Extra trash though. Kind of sad though, but it's fun. I haven't recorded much today because I've been climbing to McAfee Knob. Stopped for lunch, but I always find it so amazing when I'm in the green tunnel and then all of a sudden it opens up like this. Granted, it's for power lines, but it's like so dark and green, and then you open up to kind of like a meadow, kind of like this. It gives you a break from the same old. All right, let's keep on going. We're almost there.
I had so much food on me right now. I know, I do too. It's so stupid.
So I am back at McAfee Knob, and it's like so surreal. It's such a great feeling knowing that I was here last year, and now it's I'm back as a thru hiker. It's freaking amazing. It's as amazing as I thought it was gonna be. But let me take a little bit of video. It's very, very foggy. Clouds are very low, but you can still see a little bit of the mountains. On a clear day, the mountain range just keeps going back there, and you can see for miles and miles and miles. And here's a couple of thru hikers that made it up here.
I'm not doing like some
I am already in the shelter. It got really cold today after having like crazy hot days last week, but yeah, there's a couple of us already set up. Let me show you. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's Siren. And then there's some people out there cooking their dinner and stuff. So run into old hikers that I haven't seen in a while, and a couple that I keep leapfrogging, but yeah. This is the end of the day. It was a very exciting day. I got to go back to McAfee Knob, which I visited last year. So it's a little surreal. Just like when I went to Dragon's Tooth, I was full of doubt, but now I know I can do this, and I will do this. So besides that, we're going into Dayville tomorrow because it's supposed to start raining tomorrow night and not stop all day on Friday. So we are going to 0 again. This week is shot, but it's okay. It is fine. All right. I just videotaped you like yawning. I know. Anyways, I hope everybody has a good evening, and I will see you in the morning.